Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about if-else-if ladder. If-else-if ladder is used in situations where we need to check the next condition when the previous condition gets failed. For example, just like in the previous division program, we were checking the next condition when the previous one was getting failed. The syntax of if-else-if ladder looks something like this. As you can see here, we are having an if just attached with an else. So it looks like if boolean 1 statement 1, else if boolean 2 statement 2, else if boolean 3 statement 3, else statement 4. So the next boolean expression is going to be evaluated only when the previous boolean expression is false, and the last else statement only executes when all the previous boolean expression evaluates to false. So we have discussed about if-else-if ladder, and now it's time to see the things practically. So guys, here we are on our developer console, and let's create the division program, and now this time with if-else-if ladder. So guys, here is our program, and just like previous program, we are passing the marks, the 5 marks of 5 different subjects as the parameter of the method. We are adding them up to get the total, getting the percentage over here, and created a division string variable. Here you can see we have used if-else-if ladder to find out the division, and the syntax is pretty much simple than the nested if-else. So when you are having nested if-else, when all the nesting is done in the else block, you can replace that nested if-else with if-else-if ladder. Here we are printing the total marks obtained, percentage, and the remarks at the end. So now let's run the program and see the output. So guys, here we are calling the print division method of division with if-else-if class by passing in the decimal values, and the values that we are passing over here is going to give us second division. So let's click on execute. So guys, you can see the percentage is 54.3, and hence we are getting the second division as our output. We can also have if-else-if ladder for finding out the largest of the 3 numbers by using the logical operator. So let's create another program for that. So here's our program, and as you can see in the check method, we are passing the 3 numbers as parameter, and here we have used if-else-if ladder, and with every condition we are using an AND operator. So here num1 is greater than num2 and num1 is greater than num3. In that case, largest number will be num1. When num2 is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3, definitely largest number will be num2, else largest number will be num3. We can simply print the largest after this. So let's do that, and now let's run the program. So here in the check method, we are passing 53, 54 and 58, and definitely the largest will be 58. So let's click on execute, and as you can see, the largest of 53, 54 and 58 is 58. So guys, that marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.